Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and today is such a beautiful day. And I asked you guys about, a month ago, if there's any videos you want me to film. And a lot of guys said, hey Joey, why don't you take us to the Cape May Zoo? So today, we're going to the Cape May Zoo. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. We are all parked up and ready to go in. For those who don't know, the Cape May Zoo is located off of exit 11 on the Garden State Parkway, and it is free. That's right, it's free to go inside. You want to bring some quarters with you to go ahead and put in the machine so you could feed the animals. And this year, they actually added in a lot. They did a lot of work. I mean, you can see all the brickwork they did. They added in a new cafe, which is pretty cool. And of course, there are tons of animals, from peacocks to cow. I mean, there's so many things over there. So we're gonna go through right now, and guys, come along with me. If you're a kid growing up, you would know that you used to take field trips here, and they used to give you these souvenir like lemonade bottles. They still have those, and I think it's great because it just reminds me that, you know, this was a kid one point, and this was our like go-to place, especially when I was in like elementary school. We'd come here all the time. So anyway, let's get started. Look, it's a big bear. So this is the main entrance, the main walkway to the zoo. Today they're open until, I want to say, 6 p.m. You see, they did a lot of work. One thing I do love is the fact that you can bring food here. There's pavilions throughout the entire area. So you can actually get a pavilion and bring your lunch here. There's a gazebo and a couple other parks. There's a jungle gym and a couple other areas to hang out in. So if the zoo is closed, you can still come to this park. There's a lot to do. Now, as I mentioned before, it is free to come in, but donations, I would always suggest donating at least $5 per person, just because it's free to the public, but you want to go ahead and donate so they can add more exhibits and things like that. And we are in. Not too crowded today. It's the off season, well, the shoulder season. You'll see there's a lot of exhibits and signs like this. This says, watch out for the, you see who that is? It's a peacock. Yeah, they have a couple of them just roaming around. Don't touch them. They'll come to you, and they're actually kind of cool. This right over here is gonna be the part where you can feed the animals. So bring, 50 cents or so with you. That way you can feed some goats. Got a cow just hanging out over here. I'm gonna grab some quarters and some corn to feed these goats. This guy here, he wants to be fed. Look at him, hey buddy. How are you? They give him this ball with treats inside, and as they move it, treats come out. So they're like, let's move it around. There's one over here too. Oh, was that yummy? That's all we had. Oh wait, we got more. And after you're done feeding the goat, you can wash your hands. They've got hand washing stations outside. The monkeys are out and about. That looks like fun. Oh, don't fall. Hey, Mr. Monkey. He's hanging out. I got him hanging on this rock here. Look at him go. You gonna climb up? Look how cute he is. We have an American bald eagle over there. He's not bald. Why do they keep calling him bald? It was cool. He's just flying back and forth from here all the way back over. He's enjoying the cool air right now. It's getting chilly out. And we got this big tortoise. Look how big he is. Woo! He's in the same enclosure as the bald eagle. He won't attack him, so he's good. And this guy is following me. He just ran after me. Where you going, bud? They're all running. There's a couple other turkeys running that way too. You can see them. Here they come. Oh, they're running after each other. They're just having a good time. Look at that. They're just having a good time. And these guys want to get in on the fun. They're like, how can we join them? That looks like so much fun. There you go. We've got the camel over here who's just laying down, just got up. There goes another turkey running away. They run fast, those turkeys. Yeah, they do. We have a deer here. Hey, deer. You're adorable. And there's white ones over here. I've never seen white ones before. Look at these guys. They're so pretty. They look like a mix between a dog and a deer. Look how beautiful. This is a white-tailed deer. I've never seen one of these before. Look at those antlers. These things love to eat grass, leaves, things like that. I've never seen them in the wild before. They're from southern Canada. And then they do go through the United States, but I've never seen a white deer like this before. We're with the bisons, and look, there's a baby in there. Look at the little baby. There's a lot of bison here. We got these three. Got two more over here. Let's get these two guys. Looks like they just got fed, so they're hungry. And look at this little guy. This is a Marmoset. He's climbing around, having a good time. He's like a whole setup over here. You see another one coming out. This one looks like a baby. It's so tiny, drinking water. Look at him go for that water. But they have this window here where they hang out in. So I want to see him climb in there later. But there's another side as well with a couple more. Look at him, he's looking right at us. There's two of them, they're looking right at us. Look at this. He's playing with her string. Oh, he almost fell. Oh, I need one for home. He's chewing on this tree.
Is that a pine tree?
I don't even, look at him go.
Yeah, those are babies.
Up. No, hugs and kisses. We're now headed into the savannah to go look for a certain giraffe. Yeah, we're gonna see some giraffes, and I think maybe they get zebras back here too. Oh, they have an owl over here. He's taking a nap. There's a leopard in here. Look how pretty he is, huh? Woo! He's a big guy. Hey, Mr. Leopard. Here he comes.
Oh, the leopard.
Hey, buddy, you're so pretty.
Oh my God.
Wow. So unfortunately, the giraffes are nowhere to be found. We're assuming that there's a hut back there where they can stay inside. I'm assuming that they went over there. It's not too hot today, so it's only like maybe like 72. As of right now, they're not here. But we have ourselves some zebras over here. Looks like a mom and dad and a baby. There's another baby. There's actually a lot of babies. You've got these three right here. Go down this way. Got another baby here. And then all the way down there. There's so many of them. Wallabies, they're so adorable. There's two of them going around right now. One over here, and there's another one hiding behind this building. It's kind of hard to see him, but oh, there's another one. He's hiding in the woods too. You can see his head sticking out. And this is new for this season. They just finished building it. It looks great. It's a cafe. They put this whole outside patio area with these canopies. Look at this squirrel. Is he eating pizza?
He's eating pretzels.
Is that a pretzel?
He's eating a pretzel.
Hey buddy, how's that pretzel? Anyway, sorry, back on target. They have natural wildlife just going around, but the Safari Cafe, it looks really cool. Brand new. It does everything from, like, you know, French fries, sandwiches, and things like that. But I have to admit, this building is fantastic. I love it. The theming that's what I like about it. I like theming. So for me, this is really cool. Dude, I mean, it's Art Deco / Safari theme. They did a great job. Guys, we have a bear. Look at him. He's adorable. One here. There's one all the way down there. He's adorable looking. Here is a snow leopard. Look at him go. So we were here for only about 2 hours. They're actually starting to close for the day. Keep in mind, fall hours, it changes. But we're only able to see about maybe 2/3 worth of stuff. There's so much to see here, guys. Please make a day to come out here. They're open a decent amount of the year. Like right now, look at these guys. Look. You see them sit right over there. There's so much to see. So next time you guys are coming down to Cape May or the Wildwoods, come to the Cape May Zoo. Bring a donation. You can actually bring a lunch outside, have a picnic outside the park, or go to the Safari Cafe. You guys will have a blast. But thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. Yes, another telling us to leave. It's because of their support I'm able to make fun videos like this. And if you want to go ahead and support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below and sign up to our Patreon page, where I give you guys a lot of exclusive content that I don't put online. Anyway, I'm Joey. As always, I'll see you on the beach.
Watch the tram car, please. 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 Watch the tram car, please.